Next, we will have a special performance. Govardhana Girisham is a beautiful Carnatic composition by Muthuswami Dikshidhar set in Ragam Hindolam and Talam Rupakam. The lyrics of the Kriti praise Lord Krishna who lifted the Govardhana hill to protect the villagers from torrential rains. The composition is rich in devotional fervor and showcases Dikshidhar's mastery in blending melody with profound spiritual themes. This song will be performed by our Guru's younger daughter, Sahana Shankar, and she will be accompanied by Arvind Bachali. Govardhana Girisham in Ragam Hindolam set to Rupakatalam. She will be accompanied by Arvind Bachali on the Mridangam and Sri Rama Balakrishna on the violin and Shrikant ji also on the veena. Thank you.
Govardhana Girisham Smarami Govardhana Girisham Smarami Anisham Govardhana Girisham Smarami Anisham Govardhana Girisham Smarami Anisham Gopikadi Manoharam Garvitakam Sadiharam Govardhana Girisham Smarami Anisham Gopikadi Manoharam Garvitakam Sadiharam Govardhana Girisham Smarami Smarami Govinda Namasaram Gajendra Rakshanadhiram Govinda Namasaram Gajendra Rakshanadhiram Govinda Namasaram Gajendra Rakshanadhiram Kavijanaram Mandaram Kanakajida Sushariram Kavijanaram Mandaram Kanakajida Sushariram Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam Ramaniya Mukhabhasam Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam Ramaniya Mukhabhasam Shiva Ganadi Vishwasam Shri Guru Guha Manolasam Shiva Ganadi Vishwasam Shri Guru Guha Manolasam Rasamagdamani Dasani Gani Sadani Madagama Sagani Sasani Nini Dada Magasa Magasa Damagasa Nida Magasa Sani Damagasa Gasani Damagasa Magasani Damagasa Govardhana Girisham Smarami Anisham Gopikadi Manoharam Garvitakam Sadiharam Govardhana Girisham स्मरा